Good afternoon, adventure seekers. It's already September 17th. About time for an update of the old low-cost, low-water front yard solution. Looks like my wife has been busy. Succulent section looks great. We haven't watered it in the last couple weeks since it's been hot. Old Laura Eubanks, designed for serenity, advised once it gets too hot, don't even water your succulents. Leave them alone as they go through shock, I guess. I don't know. Check her channel. She's definitely an inspiration for our design here. So we have a front yard that's filling in nicely here. I haven't had to mow. I haven't had to edge. I haven't had to fertilize it. So I like it. The old crappie is filling in pretty nicely. 3 weeks or so. Looking good. I would say another month or so and we are in there. I will not have to mess with the front lawn anymore. So, change your landscaping, change your water bill, all in one fell swoop. Go to the succulent exchanges at your local community events, like my wife just did today. Get that out of the way. Get some free succulents. Don't go spend a bunch of money for them. They propagate easily. Okay, take care. Stay tuned for more adventure and gardening solutions.